Hi everyone. So I decided to make a series of videos on Arduino Uno R2 board so I can practice PCB layout. So this is all about self-learning and practice. A warning for you that will attempt this. Arduino is an open source hardware, but that doesn't mean you can copy the hardware and sell it. So don't do this. In this series of videos, we will be walking through all Arduino Uno details. In this first video of the series, I will be explaining how the Arduino are powered. Now let's dive into it. A good practice to be able to reproduce the layout is to separate into sections, like I did here. The first section that we'll be working is the power supply section. Second is the USB to serial interface. Third is the main processor. And last will be the access of the board pins. So let's see the power section. Realize on the board right here the convenience of the layout. The power components and the power connections are placed right on the edge of the board. Right here you can see the jack connector that will be powering the board with 7 to 12 volts. The voltage regulator, which lowers the input voltage. The USB connector, which powers the board with 5 volts. The reset button. Right here the decoupling capacitors and the higher frequency diode. These three components will be lowering the power for 5 volts. Later you will see these 5 volts are used to power in the main processor and the USB to serial chip. What you have to do is follow these traces and see which component they connect. You will realize most of the traces are connected with some via, which is these little holes here. They are called vias. So you have to see where these traces will end up on the other side of the board. And this will be easy because this is a two-layer board, so you won't see many complications following these traces. Now, from now on, I'll be more or less talking and just show you how to search for the components and do the appropriate connections. So let's start build our schematic. So in the next video we will be looking the circuit of the voltage comparator and the enable interface. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.